Features of the Yocan Orbit: 1700 mAh battery capacity, USB-C charging technology, variable voltage battery, coil-less quartz cups, spinning perp balls, stainless steel body, lanyard, extra terp balls, extra O-rings. The Yocan Orbit feels premium in the hand. It's reliable, I never had it die on me. It's durable, I dropped it a good couple times while I was using it and nothing broke or stopped working. I would recommend the Yocan Orbit to anyone that wants to have a good wax/dabs vape that's not too expensive but is reliable.
I know this is weird, but every time I went to record audio something would happen to make it sound off. Maybe next time. But god damn it, please subscribe, I worked hard on this.